Good afternoon, everyone. The magnetic field in a region is given by B equal to B naught x upon A, k cap. A square loop of side D is placed with its edges along the x and y axis. The loop is moved with a constant velocity V equal to V naught I cap. The induced EMF in the loop is so at time t equal to 0. The left vertical side of the square loop is at x equal to 0 and right vertical side is at x equal to d. Now this square loop starts moving along the x-axis with a constant velocity v naught, and there is magnetic field in the region which is coming out of the page, and this magnetic field varies with the x as per this equation. Now let us say at an instant t, the left vertical side of the square loop is at x equal to x1 and right vertical side of the square loop is at x equal to x1 plus d. So magnetic field in the left vertical wire will be, let's use this equation. This will give us B naught into x1 upon A, and magnetic field on the right vertical wire will be B naught multiplied by x1 plus d upon A. Since magnetic force on the two horizontal wires is perpendicular to their length, so induced EMF in the two horizontal sides would be 0. Motional EMF in a straight wire is given by BV into L. So motional EMF in the left vertical wire would be B1 into V naught into D. B1 is B naught into x1 upon A multiplied by V naught into D. Since magnetic force on the positive charges of these two vertical wires is downward, so their lower end would be positive and upper end would be negative. Induced EMF in the right vertical wire is B2 V naught into D, and this is B naught multiplied by x1 plus D upon A multiplied by V naught into D. Since two induced EMF are in a closed loop, so they will oppose each other. So resultant induced EMF would be equal to induced EMF, the two induced EMF. We can see in the diagram they are opposing each other. So resultant induced EMF would be E2 minus E1. And this is B naught multiplied by x1 plus D into V naught D upon A minus B naught x1 upon A multiplied by V naught into D. So this will give us Resultant induced EMF equal to B naught V naught T square upon A. So therefore option 3 is correct. Alright, thank you very much.